Them niggas can't talk about money and violence, them niggas ain't getting it in. When shit got hard, I took it out to the end. Living room left, no pretend. I double down if I win, I bet I do it again. Told them every time I took a loss, I bet I could do it again.
What's going on, guys? This is your boy Rez215 with another video, man. Today we gonna hit the streets and go get something to eat and do some running around with these guys right here. And we be back.
To American and Ontario, they got Pinchos back there.
You just ruined my shot.
Oh, Pinchos.
They got all these stands with all these blue tents. All it look like little Puerto Rico.
You know we down here running the street real quick. Showing y'all a little bit of Philly for those who not from Philly. We're in the hood though, real quick. About to hit the famous Kenzo. You already know.
It's where the president came.
The president came to do what?
To look at all the zombies.
Don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Hit that like button, man. Ring that bell if y'all new to the channel. You know what I mean?
The zombies.
It's the real zombie apocalypse.
When the zombie apocalypse happens, it's going to be the worst breakout down here first.
True. Crazy down in the gym.
Everybody just in the middle of the street.
That's their shit.
This give me the EBGBs.
The EBGBs. These are the zombies.
Like, they got a baby down here. All their babies.
Look at him. This is crazy.
Philly for you, baby.
Look, there we go.
You already know, baby. This Kensington Beach, y'all.
Kensington Beach. They out
Beach.
today.
Yes, sir.
I can't look at this.
We gonna run in one of these stores and grab something, then we out. But yeah, this Philly, y'all.
For that,
So they're already out
Right.
there.
Gotta see her with a needle.
We out here today without Mamacita, man. Mamacita out there working.
Really slumped on that food.
But we gotta do some quick running around. And about to run down South Street real quick and grab a couple things. My daughter just came from college, so she wanna eat a good pizza and a good cheesesteak. So you already know where we going. We gonna go get something to eat. Y'all seen all my other videos. Every time we out, we don't do nothing but eat. That's the main thing.
That's the truth. Always grabbing food.
Grabbing something to eat all the time.
Look at them. They got a whole chair, everything. They got the car wash.
look at her right here.
That's ridiculous, bro.
It's like the fast charger. Why she?
Look at those. Look at all those windows.
You need to take that. They got the whole couch right.
Already see this down here. Oh, this whole section coming up though.
It's a big
I never seen that.
Carvana?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally a car vending machine.
I only seen it on the highway. I've never seen that.
Up close.
Just landing, baby.
Very straight here.
They going,
We should rent some bikes.
right?
Hell no.
Come on, only us.
No, she is. Yeah, I swear
Oh.
to God, she is.
Oh.
She didn't answer.
She text back yet?
But when I was trying to get her to work at Amazon, I was like, I asked her how old was she. She already said 18. She's got to be 18 to work at
Probably.
Amazon. And this was before her birthday came around.
Alright guys, this is Penn's Landing, y'all, for the people that don't know. It's Penn's Landing. Come down here and chill. Maybe have a car meets. Used to come down here when we were young boys.
You know what we should get?
We out here though. Don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel if y'all new. Leave a comment down below too, you heard me?
What you want, Ash?
We should go get some
Fried Oreos from Old Brothers.
Alright y'all, we out here. Gotta go get something to eat. You know what I'm saying? Down South Street, guys. What y'all doing, yo? I'm out here with these fellas right here. You got on your feet?
Light.
You got on your feet? Something
Some
light?
light. Some light.
Yeah, I see you. This John. See PPA out here. PPA out here. Already know. PPA, say what's up, PP. Yeah, you see them out here. He doing his thing. He out here running up his tickets out this joint. You heard me? PPA. You know how they do out here in Philly.
This where we got the pizza from? Bro, chill.
Y'all already know what is hitting for when we come down this joint. Bro, y'all never ate from this joint right here. Y'all need to get down here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it on there so y'all can see. Biggest slices in the city, man. Right here, Lorenzo's, man. Joint be popping, you heard me? Biggest slices in the city, you heard me? About to bust this grill real quick. God, these are the best slices in the city right now. You heard me? Look at that.
10.50.
Look at that.
Can we get what you want to drink? A ginger ale. You want to
Slices, dog. You see them things? Best pizza in the town. I'm telling y'all.
Take a bite.
take a bite? Take a bite for the camera.
You see them big ass slices?
We have to cut ours in half.
Nah, it's going right there.
Yeah. We shared ours.
There's staple.
These are good.
We're doing bustin'.
Yeah, I should put my slices, I mean my seasons on.
Yep.
Tell them. No bad.
MC, what you drinking?
We drinking that Mountain Dew.
Sponsored by Mayo.
Zoom in. Zoom in on the sneaks, gang. Man, Apple Watch with it.
Oh.
Chill.
You gotta show them the Apple Watch with it. Matching the Crocs. Matching the crocodiles. Somebody gotta get the cameraman shoes.
Your Apple Watch.
Matching the crocodiles. I mean matching the horses.
It's me.
Oh. She got them things on. Crack. Whoa.
Oh.
Yeah, I got that.
Your mamacita spot probably right here.
Mm-hmm.
Can I take this picture?
This clip points $1,400.
This the joint you come to?
Yeah.
Yeah, out here looking at crystals and looking at witch stuff. Y'all already know. Like I said, guys, we out this joint for a quick run, giving y'all a little bit of Philly real fast. You know what I'm saying? We down South Street. Y'all stop at the jewelry store in a little bit. On my way up, I'm stopping right there, guys. Yeah, it is. Extra bubbles. Good cheesesteaks, y'all. One of the best jewelers right here in town, dog. If y'all ain't been here, come check him out. One of the best jewelers, I'm trying to tell you. We got some things out here. We out here. What y'all about to get in here? About to get in here. I'm getting in.
How y'all doing?
What's going on? What y'all trying to get in? Y'all here Fat Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? The Cinco de Mayo out this joint. You know what I'm saying?
I never had a drink from here.
Fat Tuesday?
On Fat Tuesday.
You wanna go in there?
Well, they want to stop at every single hookah shop they see. They want to stop. They want to buy all this hookah stuff. They trying to get turned up Cinco de Mayo. You hear me? You already know this her section right here. You like that, fool?
Yes.
Old soul chick right here. All old records. That top down today. Yeah, I just caught that joint. What's up? I did. I zoomed up on that joint too. I zoomed that joint twice.
I'm giving you the smaller thing. This is good for six. But your baby is very intelligent. As I give him something a little bit smaller.
You show me basically size-wise, I can measure. You follow me? That's what they do. Because I cannot just keep doing it and people. I'm gonna get you.
You already know where we at, guys. Pats. We about to bust another grub real quick. Get some cheese fries and then we out. You know what I'm saying? We out this joint. They got the best cheesesteaks too in town, if y'all don't know. Y'all mess with them Philly cheesesteaks, y'all better come down here. Y'all already know. Gonna read that. I'm gonna leave the camera on there so y'all can read that. And when y'all come to Philly, make sure y'all order the cheesesteak right, you heard me? Cause there's rules to this shit. There's rules to ordering a cheesesteak in Philly. So for whoever don't know, you're not from Philly, when you come get a cheesesteak, whiz with, whiz without. You heard me? It'll make the line go way faster. Trust me. Very iconic place right here. All the old spots. You heard me?
Drinks and fries.
Shit gets serious when you out here ordering a cheesesteak. Real shit. If you're not from Philly and you coming to get a cheesesteak, make sure you get your order right. Think about it before you get in line. It's gonna make the line move faster. We don't play out here about our cheesesteaks. You know what I'm saying?
It's like cheese fries, 150.
Yeah. They got Geno's over there. Samia cookies right there. And talking about chick over there. On the cheesesteak. All the mob bosses up there, you heard me? Y'all here busting the grub. You already know. Right here with these chicks. Boy can't wait to get back from school to eat some cheese fries. Then she wanna go to Insomnia cookies. You know what I'm saying? So we out here. We out here, man. Pat cheesesteaks, man. The best cheesesteak in the city. We went to the best pizzas in the city, Lorenzo's, man. Get tuned in, man, and learn how to order your cheesesteak too. When you come to Philly, I'm just gonna make the line way much faster. You heard me? Come on, bro.
Yeah, you better stop playing.
Yeah.
On the camera, Dad.
Yeah, I know.
Look, they got Geno's earrings.
Look at these fools right here. Y'all here?
I'm in my bed.
See? We got them boys out here with them hot things. It's a nice sunny day out here today in Philly, man. So you know we came outside hanging out with these fellas today. We out this joint. You hear me? Uh-oh. They got Philly PD in this joint. You see them? Them boys in blue. Got one time out this joint. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, fellas? I got that food. out here. Just chilling. Taking a nice little walk today. We outside. It's nice and sunny out here in Philly today. Feel me? Let's see what it is.
Look at all these bugs.
Let's see what they doing. Look at these. Look at these. They're like they little kids still. Oh, yeah. You know what it's hitting for. Got this drink. Chilling. Don't forget, guys, man, if you're new to the channel, man, subscribe, hit that bell, give me a like, man, hit them thumbs up, put all notifications on, man. It'll let you know when I drop a video. Back. What y'all about to get something from there? Camden on that side, that's Jersey, you heard me? All the way on that side. Shout out to Jersey.
I've never actually seen people like me out here.
What'd you say?
You say you think people actually dock there?
Yeah, back in the day. There's Jersey on that side, yes sir. Yeah, till you get to the middle of that. You get turned up for Cinco de Mayo, you already know. Cinco de Mayo. Getting turned up. Y'all here, man. Nice and sunny out here today. Y'all here chilling.
Yeah, look, get that.
Shout out to Mamacita, man. Mamacita couldn't join us today. She had to work.
Oh.
Bow. Y'all want to know where we at? That's where we at, guys. The Ben Franklin Bridge all over there.
Where? Look at the airplane, yo. Catch the airplane. That. Catch the airplane.
Last time,
And we out here chilling with these boys today. I'm out here with them. Who's out in Penn's Landing, man. Just chilling. Yeah, you already see him. He getting his grind on. Just one of those days out, man. Chilling with the kids, man. Nice and sunny. Cause the weather been crazy out here in Philly, man. Been raining, cold. So today, 70 degrees out. So we decided to come out, chill. This one right here came home from school, so she here for the next 3 months till next semester start. And like I said, she wanted to go get some cheese fries. She wanted to go get some cheese steaks, and she wanted to go get some pizza. So Fatty ate all that today. Shout out to her. But I ain't stay behind either, because I had a little bit of everything. It's the other side, yo, that we couldn't really see. Y'all already know. To give y'all, like I said, some of the good side of Philly, you heard? You already know. We about to take y'all on the 76. My hometown, fellas. Y'all see them whipping skills? I know y'all caught that joint on camera. I got the camera going. That shit was crazy. That's my skills right there. Philly love, baby. Yeah. Down 2nd Street, 2nd and Market, baby. See where the fatties at. Getting more food. What y'all doing, yo? Hey, eating again, man. Getting more food, bro. You already know, guys, when we out here in the street, bro, we eat more than what we walk. Yeah, though, you see that? Yes, sir. No Philly, baby. Born and raised. what it is, baby. Philly bike life, you heard me? Alright guys, so we out of here, man. Don't forget guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, give me a like, ring that bell, man, and don't forget to show Rez215 some love, man, and stay tuned for more videos.